If you love watching channels and you don't know how to go about it, stay tuned because in this video, I'm about to reveal to you a secret website that will help you watch all the channels in the world for free. You don't need to pay money, you don't need any subscription. All you need is your data and you're good to go. Hello there, welcome to Afotech. My name is Emmanuel, and on this channel, I produce content for Linux users, Windows users, and secret websites that will help enhance your daily activities. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. And if there's any question you want to ask, or if there's anything, just drop it in the comment section below and I will answer to your question. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to do that, all you need is to go to your Chrome browser, you open it, then you type in TV.garden. Okay, mine has appeared. You click on it. Then you click on this first link, the first link, TV.garden. Click on it. It will open up. And voila. So this is the world map. This is a globe, the globe. And these are all countries. These are all the countries. If you want to watch a particular station from a particular country, like mine, I've selected Nigeria. You see, then you just click on Nigeria there, and you come to this right section here. You see all the channels. These are all the channels that are found in Nigeria. These are all the channels. As you can see, these are all channels. You click on Salvation TV. It will open up.
Der Salvation Ministries für seine Taten.
The gospel is going global.
And let's click on another TV channel. Let's click on World TV. Let's go to another channel. As you can see, these channels are free, guys. These channels are free. They are free.
Heavenly Father, with the offering and seed sacrifice in our hand, we launch into this season of our testimony.
Let's go to another country. So you come, let's go to Cameroon. Click on Cameroon map. You see the different channels. These are the different channels. These are all of them.
On that, because what we have in the Northwest, I wouldn't want to call it.
Go to the next one.
CNN, la télévision autrement.
Guys, these channels are free and they are real. You can try it out. Try it out. They are real. You don't need any subscription. You don't need any subscription. You can see even down there, you see Yaoundé, Cameroon. Let's go to another country. Argentina. Okay, click on it. You come to the right, you see the TV channels. America.
Oh, y un cambio de carátula. Buenas tardes a todos, señoras y señores, bien.
¿De qué partido es? ¿O qué pelotudez haya?
Me pones nervioso. La polémica por las listas de la Libertad Avanza con un breve.
So, let's go to the next country. Canada. All right. Click Amazing Discoveries TV.
And sat down with my father on his throne. Can you see the difference?
I'm still taking all the experiences in, but
And let's go to another country. I think that's the last one we'll check now. So you turn the globe, you go to all right, India, right there. You click on the 6 TV Telugu, something like that.
జరిగిన అన్ని కాంట్రాక్ట్ పనులకు సంబంధించిన ఫైళ్లపై ప్రత్యేక దర్యాప్తు నిర్వహించాలని విజిలెన్స్
Click on next.
ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਲ ਸੁਣਿਆ
Okay, guys, you're out. So, guys, we've come to the end of the video, and thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.